Hi guys, this is Avery here. Welcome back to the SCULPFUN YouTube channel. We've been releasing the SCULPFUN for a while. Lots of people are probably curious about it. Today, I would like to give you an in-depth introduction of S30 series laser engraver and its new features. Which features do you like best? Please subscribe our channel and leave a comment below. We'll draw a comment and send your gift. S30 series adopted 5 leading innovative technologies, including industrial-grade linear rail, automatic air-assist pump, XY axis expansion kit, replaceable lens 32-bit air-assist main board. S30 series adopts the most accurate 0.005mm industrial linear guide, which greatly improves the engraving accuracy, and there is no wave line when engraving. S30 series come with an XY limit switch device in the package to achieve homing or positioning function, which is very helpful for repeat positioning. User can choose to install or not to install according to their own needs, which doesn't affect the use. S30 series has a built-in high-pressure air-assist nozzle. The nozzle has an advanced fluid mechanical design to better utilize the air pressure. When using the same air compressor, the S30 series splits airflow faster. S30 series is equipped with an air-assist 32-bit main board and a control-type air pump, which can intelligently control the air assist on or off. Automatic air assist will accurately perform various air assist actions on or off. By no hands, save a lot of time and never make mistakes. The S30 series laser module adopts the leading replaceable lens design. After long-term use or damage, the lens can be replaced to recover the power. This greatly improves the service life of the laser, which is more than 10 times higher than ordinary lasers. SCULPFUN is the leader in XY axis expansion. First, it has simplified the structure and low price. Second, SCULPFUN uses high-precision linear guides to keep high precision while expanding the area. Up to 905 by 935 mm, engraving area can meet most needs. Thank you for watching our new machine. What do you think of the S30 series? You can leave a comment below. In next video, I will use the XY axis expansion version to create a huge project. See you next time.